I'm genuinely concerned about what I'm gonna do when I get to the top of my hair and have no color left. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen of All Trades with part 3. Finally going to finish part 3 of this hair transformation series. There's been some delay with the whole job and everything, but as you can see, I did get the job. I did get the go-ahead, so I'm gonna go ahead and color it purple for you today. And let me just say real quick, I could not find my gloves, so I just took off my rings. Oh crap, I didn't take off those. Well, shit. Okay. I have no rings. I took them off so they don't get messed up, and I'm just gonna say fuck it and go with it and just not use gloves. And you know, it's whatever. You know, I'm not starting for a couple weeks anyway, and it'll come off. Whatever. Okay, let me go ahead and change into my shirt. Let's get started with this hair process. Are you ready? Okay, ready? Bam! I am all about Pink Floyd, but I don't want to mess them up, so we're gonna switch to this. So anyways, now that you see my magical powers, my secret is out. Damn it. The colors I'm gonna be using today are, of course, Arctic Fox colors. This is the Periwinkle. This is a bluish purplish kind of color. That's so pretty. Oh man, I guess I shouldn't have got a blue wool. You can't really see that. That wasn't smart. So there is the purpley blue. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of white conditioner because a little bit to dilute it. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. So I have the Garnier bullshit white conditioner. Actually, it's more of a yellow, but it smells really good. So I just put a little bit and then I mix it. It smells so good. Between the two, this is heaven. That is gorgeous. It's so pretty. Alright, so let me go ahead and separate that, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I do have my hair separated now. We are good. I did enlist the help of my kids, so they were able to help me. So there is some blonde streaks down here. There is some dark streaks at the top. But it's okay. I'm not really that concerned about it because once I color it, you know, it's fine. It's in the middle of my hair, so it's whatever. It's cool. Just go with it. So to have, this is my color mixture. I think I am going to add a little bit of the Purple Rain. And I just feel like I need to because I'm really scared of running out of the color. And if I do, then I'm just SOL because I don't have any more. So I need to make as much as possible so that I don't run out of color. But I really, really don't want it to be a dark purple. I'm hoping that it can stay a pastel color, and literally I just put in that much. So maybe, oh my gosh, what did I do? Okay, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of the conditioner as well, just to make more product. There we go, just a little bit, and this should be enough to do my hair. Actually, it turned out really beautiful. So Periwinkle itself was like a bluish. This is like it's like a handmade girls' night. Yes, this is gorgeous. That is a beautiful purple color. All right, so mostly Periwinkle with a dash of Purple Rain. That's how you get that. That is gorgeous. It's a really, really pretty lavender color. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's do this. It's actually kind of cool with no gloves because I can really feel it better. So it's actually kind of cool. I kind of like it. guys, it's looking good. I think I can finish it. This is perfect. All right, so I believe I got it all in there. I'm gonna go back through and just make sure that every piece of hair is saturated. This is what I'm working with, guys. Look, I got like one little scoop left. That is crazy. That's so crazy. That's nuts. That was just super, super close. Way too close for comfort. But I think this color is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to see the final result. So if you want to see the final result too, stick with me. I'm going to go ahead and put a bag on my head, let this sit for my normal, ridiculously long time, 5 to 7 hours, because I want it to stay as long as possible. I will see you in a little bit, so stay tuned. We'll be back with the final results. Alrighty, this is the final results. What do you think? I am super, super happy that it turned out really, really good. I was able to overcome the lack of hair dye situation, and it worked out. I'm super happy with that. And you know, it's a really, really beautiful lavendery kind of color. It's not the periwinkle bluish color, but it's gorgeous. Like, this is freaking awesome. And I think it's perfect for Halloween, which is what I'm going for, which is why I have the dark underneath. So this is part 3 of a hair transformation series. But if you missed part 1 or part 2, make sure you go check it out. I will leave the link in the description. Part 1 was hair bleaching of my roots. Part 2 was putting the dark underneath over top of a blue that used to be there. And then part 3 is the final result. This is what it looks like. That is it. So I am, again, super happy. I hope you guys like it and this turned out good and you approve. So don't forget, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. If you like my new hair color, perfect for Halloween. So stay tuned, because my next week, I'm starting, I'm still trying to come up with a name. So if you have a good name for it, let me know. I will be doing a whole week where you get to see my face for a whole week, every day. Every day I'll be posting. I'll be doing different Halloween looks and things that'll be good for Halloween, makeup type stuff. So keep an eye out for that. And like I said, if you have any ideas what I could call it, I'm thinking like Jenoween, which sounds kind of retarded, but I just don't know. I have no ideas to kind of incorporate my name into it. So let me know, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more awesome videos. I hope you have a good day, and join me next week for my Halloween tutorials, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.